Here's how to fix Facebook Lite if it's not sending messages. First, you need to go ahead and open your settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. From here, simply search for Facebook Lite application. Then scroll down and tap on storage. Click on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Then go to permissions and ensure that you've given all the permissions to this app. Come back, go to battery section and make sure that it's set to unrestricted or optimized. And if it still does not work, you need to go ahead and open your Google Play Store and then simply search for Facebook Lite application, which has been installed on your device. And if you see an update button over there instead of open, simply go ahead and tap on that in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. So that's how you fix the Facebook Lite not sending messages. You can also try uninstalling the application and re-enable it again, or try restarting your entire phone. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.